Hadin saufu benai belapthai ke jengaki thametor ke belajar ha ubenai jemang jo kasam aja khat phra ke high level committee pok ke jalam jong ba preston tinsong menta ke sngi ke afratrik unai lur arjar huai kali ban a ya ka kaifot ha ke bedai ba ke ni ke jengja ke belane bun tayo ha ke tai ke snem kaliang ba preston ulang ba kaliang jong committee ke IT bai ya ke ni ka kaifot syaka sarkar ba ka syong ka sarkar ba kan pentip lan mena ke ba ke ni ka committee jo u kalau ajeng buat le aro kadi kakam.
Chief Minister. So let us see after submitting the report. Again, the next step is government will sit down, cabinet will sit down, and we will go point by point, line by line. So let us wait till the cabinet sits. Because right now I can't say anything because I'm the chairman of the high level committee. So I'm just informing you that we already completed our task and today we already submitted the report.
By when government is likely to sit for and discuss on this report?
That I can't say right now. Since we already submitted, as I said to you, let the cabinet, the honorable chief minister will go through everything and then he will bring it to the cabinet. Discuss all the details. It is the duty of the government to brief or to detail all of you once the decision is taken. Because see, by convention, when we submit a report means what? We just submit a report. I have nothing to say anything. Then government will take detailed discussion on this, and ultimately when they take a decision, they will brief the press, and then we will come out in a proper manner how to inform the citizens of this. I can't say anything as I said because just tonight we submitted the report. We have already submitted the report, so now it is up to the government. So let the chief minister and let the officers study everything and then bring it to the cabinet. When that I can't say, but I would like to see that the discussion takes place at the earliest possible in the cabinet.
Minta kesi kila